Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we're going to be doing a 10-minute makeup look for work and school. Make sure that you're starting off on a very clean base. Make sure you clean your face with any cleanser of your choice. Make sure that your face is always moisturized, hydrated before starting off. So I'm going to be using this moisturizer for today. Make sure that the moisturizer gets under your eye. Massage into your skin. Down to your neck, down to your neck, down to your neck. Now that my skin is all moisturized, the next thing I'm going to do is to go in with my primer. So I'm just going to mattify my nose a little bit. So to do a 10-minute makeup look, you have to have a matching foundation. Always have a matching foundation so that you don't have to waste all the time blending. And the foundation I'm going to be using today is this foundation because it matches my skin color. It matches my undertone. So that's what I'm going to be using today. So after blending your foundation into your skin, you wouldn't need a concealer because you wouldn't have the time to blend your concealer. But if you must conceal, you have to use a concealer that is closest to your skin tone also, so that you don't have to waste much time blending in your concealer. So for setting, I'm going to be using this Sacha Buttercup to set. If you don't want to use a concealer to conceal your face because you don't have the time, because you're under 10 minutes, you're doing a 10-minute makeup, you can just go in with your setting powder. You set your face with a translucent powder or a setting powder that is closest to your skin tone. I'm just going to set the rest of my face. So I'm just going to quickly draw my brows. So you have to have a very sharp pencil to do this so that you don't have to conceal the brows. Voila, and there you have it. So you don't need to conceal it because it's a 10-minute makeup look. So after that, you brush out the, remember we didn't bake, but still you just have to brush out the little, just in case you have any leftover, just so that it doesn't crease. You brush it out. You wouldn't need lashes, then just enhance. So there you have it. And then if you want to add some structure to your face, you can apply your blush or your contour to your face. So I think that blush is too much. I'm just going to diffuse it with my face powder brush. And you smack. And there you have your 10 minutes makeup. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.